Welcome to NESTA and to the launch of Science for Humanity. My name's Helen Gresty. I'm Executive Director of Innovation Programmes here at NESTA. Before I hand over to our three speakers who are going to tell you a little bit more about Science for Humanity and how to get involved, I just wanted to say a very few words about NESTA and why we were particularly interested and excited to get involved in this project. I think, as many of you know, NESTA is the National Endowment for Science, Technology and the Arts. We're the UK's largest endowment solely focused on fostering and promoting innovation. Through a combination of our policy and research work and our practical experimental programmes, we explore new ways to foster and support innovation. One of the things that we really believe is important is that collaboration is fundamental and a fundamental driver of innovation. There are other ingredients, of course, but given tonight's focus, I wanted to just say a few words about collaboration. One of the things that we're passionate about is the fact that the more vantage points from which you can view a complex problem, the more opportunity there is to potentially solve it. Sharing ideas, encouraging participation between very diverse groups, and better understanding how to facilitate an exchange of ideas are all the kind of issues that one of our programmes, the Connect programme, Roland leads the Connect programme, is standing over there. Those are the kind of issues that that programme explores. And, of course, those kind of issues in the history of scientific discovery and thinking are not new kinds of issues. As many of you know, the history of scientific discovery is littered with examples of collaboration, from the debates and issues at the heart of the Royal Institution through to the things like the Human Genome Project. Collaboration is key to all of those, so that's not new in itself. But one of the things that we think has potential and is new is the use of technology in that context. And so when Philip Rowley came to us about 6 months ago to talk about an idea for a new organisation which was essentially brokering the expertise and talent within the UK scientific community and non-governmental organisations in the developing world to try and harness that collective expertise to solve some real-world problems. We felt this was a really good opportunity and one which we would very much like to be involved in. So, along with the Sloan Foundation, we're really thrilled to be a founding partner of Science for Humanity. And I think that's all that I really wanted to say. I'm hoping tonight you'll get a sense of the project, of some of the bigger issues, and I hope an opportunity to network, turn your mobile phones off, and hopefully find out a little bit more about how to get involved in the project. So I'm going to hand over now to the first of our three speakers. I'd like to thank Sir Gordon Conway for joining us this evening. As many of you will know, Sir Gordon is Chief Scientific Advisor at the Department for International Development, and, of course, is a pioneer of the concept of sustainable agriculture. So Gordon's going to talk to us a little bit about the role of science in meeting the Millennium Development Goals. Thank you.